Hi guys, this is Schwacko7. Whenever I see a good exercise equipment bargain, I'll do a quick YouTube video on it because exercise equipment is getting ridiculously expensive. But there are still ways to obtain affordable exercise equipment. And this one is from Temu, T-E-M-U, which is a Chinese e-commerce company. It still has affordable exercise equipment, but that is very likely to go away because Donald Trump has vowed to increase the tariff on Chinese imports by 60% and all other global imports by 10 to 20%. And tariffs are paid by importers, but they pass the cost on to the consumer in the form of higher prices. And this particular deal, it's on a one-piece tungsten steel home gym power rack with squat, lat pull down, and rowing stations, 2-to-1 weight ratio, for the bargain price of $305.99. And Temu says it's almost sold out. It comes with free shipping. Colors red or black, and Temu promises safe payments and secure privacy, delivery guarantee, $5 credit for delay, 15-day no update refund, return if the item is damaged, and 20-day no delivery refund. And the time of this offer is 12:23 a.m. on November 10th, 2024. Now this deal probably is not going to last very long, but perhaps somebody who's watching this video can take advantage of it. Amazon sells something like this, but Amazon wants $799.99. But it offers a $150 coupon, but even with the $150 coupon, that's $549.99. So judge for yourself. It looks pretty close to me as being the same machine, perhaps made in the same factory, but one costs more because it has a brand name to it. This is the video on the leverage gym on the Amazon website, showing the various different exercises. Looks like a very versatile home leverage gym. Use bands on it, that's a plus. More than 30 workouts. Okay, there you go, guys. Looks like a good bargain. There are multiple listings for this on Temu, but this is the cheapest one I've found. Here's another one for $1,359.15. So do your due diligence. Just type in leverage home gym equipment on the Temu search engine, because you may find a cheaper price, and more than likely you're going to find much higher prices. This is the information on the Temu website. 7 levels, multi-function squat handle, long base frame, and it shows the steel thickness, assembly size, 84 inches tall, has a depth of 60 inches and 52 inches wide. and it advocates a safe squat with leverage arm. Has a high pulley system, adjustable lever arm. The weight has a loading support, and the weight has storage post with a footboard, safety lever, and squat bar. You can also do standing shoulder presses with it. This is the video on Temu's website. Again, showing the various different exercises that can be done with this machine. Looks very versatile. For $305.99, that's just a great price for this exercise equipment. And like I said, these prices are going to go away pretty soon. Look at that. The tariffs are coming, guys. So I would highly advise you to buy whatever equipment that you need before January 20th, 2025. Because Trump as president has the power to impose tariffs, which he says he's going to do, without the approval of the United States Congress. I think this is a great deal, and that's why I did this video. But judge for yourself. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new YouTube videos. I'm a retiree and I have lots of free time. I'm always searching for good exercise equipment bargains. Because like I said, it's becoming very hard to find good deals. If I can find one, I'll do a YouTube video on it. But me finding bargains aren't going to do you any good if you don't know about it. And this is almost sold out, so I don't know how many people can take advantage of this. It's my hope that at least one person can. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.